Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is Angel Olalde, and I'm with Angel's Wood Floors. And today I'm going to talk to you about the Kapro self-leveling laser. It's pretty cool. It's pretty neat. I've never worked with a laser that's auto-leveling before. As you can see, right now it's off level, so the laser's blinking. But when you get it set level, it sets. And then you go off, and it starts blinking again. That's so cool. I've never worked with anything like that before. It's got a really good laser on it. It'll go up to 100 feet indoors. As you can see right here, I mean, even in natural sunlight beaming on it, I can see it clear across the room that we're working in right now. I've used this thing quite a bit over the last month or so, about 3 or 4 jobs, and we use it a lot to make sure we stay straight, get our line going as we're coming around door frames and stuff like that. You know, we got pieces in, we snap our line off the wall, use the laser right off the floor and keep us going. Works really well. Haven't had a problem seeing it at all, which is one thing with lasers that I don't really like using because you can't see them, but this one I have no problem seeing it. It's lightweight, but it don't feel cheap. It's really, really nice. I know they got a lot of really cool attachments that you can get for them. Some freestanding legs, so you can stand it up and tilt it. You can get it on a tripod. It's got magnets on the back. You know, you can stick it to a metal framed walls. One thing I didn't like about it, oddly enough, is the battery holder. It's really, really tough to get off there. Kind of worry that you're gonna break it, I always feel like, but even putting it on too, it's a little tough. But I mean, I guess in reality, that's probably a good thing. You know what, your battery's coming out. But it worries me. I feel like I'm gonna break it. Well, other than that, I really, really like it. I can see it being a great asset to any carpenter, any floor guy, anybody that works in any type of the trades. This would work great for them. So, but yeah, that's what I got. Thanks for tuning in, checking it out.